wonderful morning at Likeke Beach, we decided to go to Likeke Falls. It was an amazing journey up, overlooking the rainforest of Oahu. We parked at this church. It was $15 a park, but we were on our way.
Hiking to Likeke Falls. That's what we're doing right now. It's very beautiful. Very much forest. I'm so excited. Got my GoPro on handy, so we'll be good. It's already hot, but they have a love tree here. Isn't that so cute? Shout out to the lovers. Period. It's love trees. We are in the rain forest, girl. The forest of Hawaii. Don't play. Whew. Like beach. Thank you. Okay, guys, so we made it out the trenches, but not unscathed, okay? Your girl bust her ass, okay? Your girl fell. Yes, I fell. It was very muddy, but it was worth the hike. It was not a long, intimidating hike. Definitely bring hiking shoes. Do not try to come out here with your sandals on, like with your shenanigans on. Make sure you have something that can grip the ground, because the rocks were very, very soft, and the ground was very soft. It was very slippery, and you don't want to start your trip off busting your ass or getting a sprained ankle. But overall, I would rate the Likeke Falls hike a 10 out of 10. Yeah, like, look at the aftermath of this, girl. Definitely muddy, but very worth it. So after our hike, there's a bathroom area which is located behind that building that we parked at. And this is the view back here. I believe it's attached to a golf course, so you know I had to get some footages. As you can see, the brown spot is where I slipped and fell, but I was loving the view and I wasn't letting it stop us. I just want to go to sleep out here, to be honest, for real though. If you ever visit Oahu and want a break from the usual beach routine, this is a beautiful way to reconnect with yourself. Just remember, wear good hiking shoes, bring water, and be ready to get a little muddy. Thanks for joining me on this adventure.